नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल आणि योगा तुमका सगळ्यांक इन योर फेवरेट प्रोग्राम युवापंथी विथ सचिन सीझन 2 ब्रॉट टू यू बाय ट्रॅव्हल शॉप हॉलिडेज. एक गजाल जी आमकां करपाक भरपूर आवडटा, ती गजाल दुसऱ्यांक सांगपाकूय आमकां आवडटा आणि ती केल्या उपरांत आमच्या मनाक खूब बरें दिसता आणि ती म्हळ्यार हेल्प करप, दुसऱ्यांक मदत करप. दुसऱ्यांक मदत केल्या उपरांत आमच्या मनाक खूब बरें दिसता आणि अशें मदत करीत रावपाक जाय आमी. आनी अश्यो कांय स्टोरीज जर तुजे कडेन आसा, तुवें दुसऱ्यांक हेल्प केला, खूब जाणांक हेल्प केला, अश्यो खुबश्यो स्टोरीज जर तुजे कडेन आसा जाल्यार तूं आमकां धाड. आमचे जी फेसबुकाचेर पेज आसा युवापंथी विथ सचिन, हाजेर म्हाका इनबॉक्स कर ह्यो सगळ्यो स्टोरीज एंड मागीर तूं आमच्या प्रोग्रामाचेर येवपाक शकता. युवापंथी विथ सचिन सीझन 2 आमी तुका घेवन येतले. ह्या विकाक आमी एस देंपो कॉलेज ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड इकॉनॉमिक्स हांचो एक इव्हेंट आशिल्लो रणभूमी, आणि ह्या इव्हेंटाक आमी गेले आनी थंयसर युवापंथीचे कांय क्वेश्चन्स विचारले एंड कांय आन्सर्स ज्यो खरेंच दर फावटी आमकां इतले विचित्र आणि इतले कॉमेडी आन्सर्स गावतात ते सगळे तुमकां पळोवपाक मेळटले. ताज्या नंतर एक प्रँक आसा तुमच्या खातीर एंड देन आमच्या इंडियेंतलो वन ऑफ द बेस्ट स्टँडअप कॉमेडियन म्हळ्यार साहिल शाह गोंयान आयिल्लो फॉर रणभूमी इव्हेंट. ताच्या वांगडा कांय गजाली केल्यो, ताका कांय क्वेश्चन्स विचारले. येस, नॉट अ युवापंथी क्वेश्चन्स बट कांय वेगळे स्टायलीचे क्वेश्चन्स ताच्या वांगडा हांवें विचारले एंड ताचे कितें आन्सर्स आशिल्ले ताजेर हे सगळें तुका पळोवपाक मेळटलें. एंड ट्रॅव्हल शॉप हॉलिडे क्वेश्चन ऑफ दीस वीक कितें आसा हें तुका एट द एंड पळोवपाक मेळटलें. आनी हांव आसा सद्याक रिबंदर हांगासर आणि म्हाज्या फाटल्यान तुमी पळोवपाक शकता ते ट्रेडिशनल मीट काडटा पळय, ताज्या फुडें रावन तुमच्या वांगडा गजाली करता आनी अशे सीन्स आमकां रिबंदर हांगासर पळोवपाक मेळटा. आमच्या गोंयान अशे जायते जाग्यांचेर अशे ट्रेडिशनल गजाली आमकां पळोवपाक मेळटा आणि त्यो सांठोवन दवरपाचें काम आमी सगळ्यांनी मेळून करपाक जाय. पूण स्टार्टींग विथ युवापंथी क्वेश्चन ऑफ दीस वीक, रणभूमी एस देंपो कॉलेज ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड इकॉनॉमिक्स हांगासर कितें कितें जालें, जस्ट चेक इट आउट. We are at the Ranbhoomi 2016, SS Dempo College of Commerce and Economics. Yes, and हांगासर जायती मजा मस्ती जावपाची आसा. I'll be asking some question to them and if they give the answer correct, of course, they will win some prize from me. Who is the President of India?
Narendra Modi.
Narendra Modi.
Modi.
Who is the Prime Minister of India?
Oh, that name. Narendra Modi.
Who is the President of India?
Mr. Narendra Modi.
Who is the Prime Minister?
It's
Pranab Mukherjee.
Pranab Mukherjee, obviously.
Pranab Mukherjee.
Pranab Mukherjee. Pranab Mukherjee.
Who is the President of India?
I can't remember.
Pranab Mukherjee.
I think Pranab Mukherjee.
Pranab Mukherjee.
Who is the President of India?
Pass.
Pranab Mukherjee.
President.
Pranab Mukherjee. Pranab Mukherjee.
Pranab Mukherjee.
Who is the President of India?
Pranab Mukherjee. Pranab Mukherjee.
Pranab Mukherjee.
Pranab Mukherjee.
Pranab Mukherjee.
Pranab Mukherjee.
Pranab Mukherjee.
Pranab Mukherjee.
Pranab Mukherjee.
President of India?
Pranab Mukherjee.
Wait, I know. I don't know.
President of India?
Pranab Mukherjee.
President of India.
Pranab Mukherjee.
Pranab Mukherjee.
Pratibha Patil.
National Song of India.
Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram.
National Song of India.
Jana Gana Mana.
National Song of India.
Jana Gana Mana.
I will go with my friend Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram.
I think it's Jana Gana Mana.
Jana Gana Mana.
I don't know.
Vande Mataram.
National Song of India.
Vande Mataram.
Jana Gana Mana. Jana Gana Mana.
Jana Gana Mana. National Song of India.
National song. Jana Gana Mana. Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram.
National Song of India.
Vande Mataram.
National Song.
Yeah, same. Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram.
Jana Gana Mana.
Vande Mataram.
National Song of India.
What's that now? What's that now? सारे जहाँ से अच्छा, सारे जहाँ से अच्छा.
जनगणमन.
वंदे मातरम.
वंदे मातरम.
वंदे मातरम.
Who wrote the national song?
Is it Bankim Chandra Chatterjee?
Sorry.
I don't know. I really don't know. I'm sorry.
Bankim Chandra Chatterjee.
Who wrote the national song of India?
No, pass.
रवींद्रनाथ टागोर.
रवींद्रनाथ टैगोर.
GK is very poor.
Rabindranath Tagore. I have a feeling it's Rabindranath Tagore. Subhash Chandra. I don't know.
Rabindranath Tagore.
रवींद्रनाथ टैगोर.
Rabindranath Tagore. I'm not sure.
No idea.
बंकिम चंद्र चटर्जी.
There is no national song. There is an national anthem.
National song. I don't know.
Who wrote the national song of India?
Chatterjee.
Rabindranath Tagore.
Bankim Chandra Chatterjee.
I don't know.
Rabindranath Tagore.
रवींद्रनाथ टागोर.
Rabindranath Tagore.
Rabindranath Tagore.
Bankim Chatterjee. Iqbal something.
रवींद्रनाथ टागोर.
Rabindranath Tagore.
Rabindranath Tagore.
A.R. Rahman. A.R. Rahman. A.R. Rahman. I don't know.
No idea.
Rabindranath Tagore.
National animal of India.
पिकॉक.
गुजरात टाइगर.
Tiger. Bengal tiger.
Bengal tiger.
Okay, the national animal is tiger.
Animal is tiger.
West Bengal tiger.
Bengal tiger.
Bengal tiger.
It's the West Bengal tiger. I think so.
That's the lion.
Tiger.
Lion only.
Bison.
Tiger.
Tiger. It's tiger.
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 It will be a normal like common tiger.
National animal of India.
Tiger.
Bengal tiger. Bengal tiger.
Bengal tiger.
Tiger.
Bengal tiger.
Bengal tiger.
I don't know, but it's a tiger.
National animal of India.
Hunde do.
Lion?
Tell me national animal of India.
Tiger.
Tiger.
Bengali tiger.
Bengal tiger.
Bengal tiger.
National animal of India.
Bengal tiger.
Lion. Tiger.
Bengali tiger. Lion.
It's lion.
Peacock.
Tiger.
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 It's a tiger.
Who is the governor of Goa?
I have no idea.
Parikar.
No, I don't know. I really don't know.
Who is the governor of Goa?
I don't know.
Wait.
No idea.
I'm ashamed of this, but I don't have an answer to that question.
She's a female.
Madhula Shah. I have no idea.
Mridula Sinha.
Governor of Goa is Srimati Mridula Sinha.
Gitunda Sena.
No.
Mridula Sinha.
गोयचो गव्हर्नर कोण?
Mridula Sinha.
Mridula Sinha. It was before. I don't know if it's changed now.
गव्हर्नर ऑफ गोवा.
Smriti Jahan or something like that.
Don't know.
I don't know.
Mridula Sinha.
Mridula Sinha.
मृदुला सिन्हा.
गव्हर्नर ऑफ गोवा.
Mridula Sinha.
मृदुला सिन्हा.
Mridula Sinha.
I have no idea.
I'm guessing. I don't know.
Where is the Rajya Sabha situated?
थोड़ी राज्यसभा दिन.
After the Mandovi Bridge.
Rajya Sabha. I guess Porvorim.
Porvorim.
Where is Rajya Sabha situated? Tell me.
Yeah, New Delhi.
Rajya Sabha house खंय आसा?
Delhi.
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 Where is Rajya Sabha situated?
New Delhi.
New Delhi.
New Delhi.
Where is Rajya Sabha situated?
In every state, yeah. Poruram on the way across the bridge.
In Delhi.
New Delhi.
No idea.
Majakara. No. Please, Naka.
Delhi.
New Delhi.
Delhi.
New Delhi.
New Delhi.
Rajya Sabha, where is Rajya Sabha situated?
Delhi.
Yeah, dude. Porvorim.
No. Delhi.
Rajya Sabha House. I don't remember. It's in Donapal.
And Lok Sabha?
I don't know.
Rajya Sabha situated.
Yeah.
Rajya Sabha where, sir?
Porvorim.
Can I guess?
No. It is Vidhan Sabha.
I don't know.
I don't know.
It's in Delhi.
Rajya Sabha?
Delhi.
Delhi. It's located at Akbar Road, New Delhi.
Okay, how many members do represent from Goa for the Rajya Sabha?
2.
One.
How many representatives are there from Goa for Rajya Sabha?
2.
2.
We have one representative for Rajya Sabha.
How many representatives are there from Goa for Rajya Sabha?
Don't know. 2.
How many members represents from Goa for Rajya Sabha?
One.
I don't know.
2, I think.
1.
2.
1.
Rajya Sabha members from Goa?
1.
So how many representatives are there from Goa for Rajya Sabha? Representatives कितले आसा?
2.
No idea. 12.
Now tell me, who is a representative for Lok Sabha from Goa?
Yeah, I'm bad at all this. I don't know.
11. Francis.
I don't know.
Shantaram Naik and Manal Parikar.
I don't know.
Shantaram Naik.
Parikar.
Manohar Parikar.
Shripad.
Francis Adin.
Shantaram Naik.
Naren Savaikar.
2 kgs of cotton and 2 kgs of stone. Which is heavier?
Obviously. Heavy stones.
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 2 kg of cotton, 2 kg of stones equivalent to each other.
2 kgs of cotton, 2 kg of stone. Which is more heavier?
2 kg of stone.
Stone is more.
Yeah. It's the same. It's 2 kgs.
Both will be the same.
Stone. Cotton.
They are equal.
2 kgs of cotton, 2 kgs of stone. Which is more heavier?
Both are equal. Equal.
Equal. Yeah, cotton.
2 kgs of cotton, 2 kg of stone. Which is more heavier?
It's the same weight.
Same, of course, 2 kgs of
Equal.
The same weight.
Same weight.
both are the same.
They're both the same.